These small, low-maintenance and often quirky plants act as quiet companions, bringing life and personality to desks, shelves, and small living spaces without demanding constant attention. 10 Best Little Companion Plants. 1. Nerve plant, Fittonia. These tiny plants have a low creeping habit, with intense fishnet patterns of pink, white or red veins on dark green leaves. They are highly expressive and will visibly droop to let you know they are thirsty, acting like a pet needing a drink but perk up instantly upon watering. 2. Zebra Haworthia, Haworthia attenuata. A slow-growing sculptural succulent that forms rosettes of fleshy leaves with white pebbly stripes. They are incredibly tough, requiring minimal water, and fit perfectly on a windowsill to act as a quiet, modern art buddy. 3. String of Pearls, Curio Rolianus. A trailing succulent with fleshy, pea-like foliage that resembles a beaded necklace. Perfect for hanging or spilling over a shelf, this plant requires little attention and adds a whimsical, living accessory to your space. 4. Air plants, Tillandsia. These unique plants require no soil to survive, allowing them to be displayed in glass terrariums, on wood, or in fun containers. They act as mess-free companions that need only a weekly soak, making them ideal for the forgetful caregiver. 5. Peperomia, specifically Peperomia obtusifolia. Known as the baby rubber plant, this plant is compact and upright with thick, succulent-like leaves. Its shiny, heart-shaped leaves add a pop of vibrant colour to a desk or nightstand, and it is very forgiving of varied conditions. 6. Prayer plant, Calathea/Maranta. Known for its expressive nature, these plants fold their leaves upright at night, as if in prayer, and open them during the day. They are fascinating companions that show active, daily movement, perfect for a tabletop with medium light. 7. Button fern, Pelea rotundifolia. A petite, slow-growing fern with small, rounded leaves. It acts like a cozy treehouse companion, ideal for adding a touch of nature to a bathroom shelf or a small office corner. 8. Pothos, Epipremnum aureum. Known as the ultimate low-maintenance vining companion, it is tough to kill and grows quickly. It will happily trail down a bookshelf or hang in a window, growing with you over time. 9. Spider plant, Chlorophytum comosum. A resilient, classic houseplant that produces baby plantlets that dangle from the mother plant. Its arching leaves are forgiving of neglect, and its trailing babies make it look like it's hosting a tiny, cheerful party. 10. Chinese money plant, Pilea peperomioides. Featuring unique round coin-shaped leaves, these plants are easy to grow and are commonly shared among friends. They grow fast, often producing small pups that you can propagate, making them great companions to share with others. Why these plants feel like companions. Low maintenance. They won't die if you forget to water them for a week, making them easy friends. Small stature. They occupy minimal space, desk or shelf. Visual interest. Their patterns, textures and growth habits, trailing upright, invite daily admiration. Resilience. These tenacious plants are rewarding because they survive, often trailing or growing quickly to show their gratitude.